In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AKA name on Discord. If you've ever wondered where the also known as line on a Discord profile comes from, here's the key. It's pulled directly from the nickname you use on a server that you share with the person viewing your profile. So, to change what your friends see as your AKA, you don't change your global username. You update your server nickname on a mutual server. Start by opening Discord and looking at the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your profile area with your avatar and username. Click your profile to open your profile card, then choose Edit Profile. This is where you manage how you appear across Discord. Next, go to the Per Server Profiles tab. This section lets you customize your display on a server-by-server basis without affecting your global identity. From here, select the server you share with the friend or group of friends whose AKA view you want to control. Remember, the person has to be in that same server with you. That's what makes it a mutual server, and that's what Discord uses to generate the also known as name on your profile for them. Once you've selected the server, look for the nickname field. Type the name you want your friends from that server to see. Keep it clear and recognizable so people can tell it's you. This doesn't change your global username. It only updates how you appear in that specific server, and that updated nickname becomes the AKA your friends from that server see on your profile. Discord typically applies changes right away, so once you enter your new nickname, you're good to go. A couple of helpful notes. If you and a friend share multiple servers, Discord can reference any of those server nicknames for your AKA. So for a consistent experience, consider using the same nickname across the mutual servers you care about most. Also, some servers limit nickname changes or require moderator approval. So if you don't see the option to edit your nickname, it may be a server setting. If you ever want to revert, just clear the nickname field or change it back to what you had before. And that's all there is to it. By updating your server nickname from your profile's Per Server Profiles tab, you control what shows up as your also known as name to friends you share that server with. Simple, precise, and completely under your control.